Lightfunnels offers users various features to create responsive designs and provide an optimal user experience across different screen sizes, from mobile devices to tablets and desktop computers. Lightfunnels ensures that pages are displayed properly on various devices by using a flexible grid system. This grid system allows columns and rows to be rearranged according to screen size. The Lightfunnels platform offers ready-made funnel and store templates that work seamlessly with all devices. Additionally, it enables users to fully customize these templates, indicating that some adjustments and controls should be managed by the users themselves. When ready-made sections or certain elements are added to a funnel or store template, their compatibility with other devices should also be checked. Let's examine how Lightfunnels templates work across all devices with a few examples and see how we should make our adjustments. Let's add content to our template using ready-made sections. I've added my content. Now I'm checking how my funnel looks on all devices. Later, I will make a few changes to the content I added and check how it looks. On the desktop view, our funnel looks quite compatible, and the content I added is here. There is a button, and I want this button to cover the full width of the screen, i.e., 100% of the page. I clicked on the button and set the width value to 100%. While this button covers the entire screen on desktop devices, when I switch to the mobile view, the button remains at a certain width and does not cover the entire page. I need to adjust this button for the mobile view as well. I switch to mobile device mode in my editing screen and set the width value to 100% so the button covers the full screen on mobile devices. To summarize, the changes you make for desktop devices also apply to mobile devices. However, if you modify the changes in the mobile view, this adjustment will only remain effective in the mobile device mode. After creating your design, use the device icons located at the top to check how it looks on other devices. When you click the eye icon, the panel on the page will close, allowing you to quickly preview the design. By clicking the desktop icon, you can see how your design looks on desktop devices. Use the tablet icon next to it to view it in tablet mode. The icons at the end allow you to check your template in both horizontal and vertical mobile device views. Lightfunnels is an online e-commerce platform designed to facilitate e-commerce activities for users. This platform is specifically targeted at e-commerce and dropshipping businesses, offering various tools such as creating sales funnels, designing web pages, and organizing email marketing campaigns. Users can easily create their own funnels and web pages without needing technical knowledge, thanks to the drag-and-drop interface. Lightfunnels also possesses conversion rate optimization, CRO tools, necessary for increasing product sales. These include A/B testing, conversion rate analyses, and features to monitor visitor behavior. These features help users develop their marketing strategies based on data. Lightfunnels is rich in terms of integration. It can easily integrate with dozens of popular e-commerce and marketing tools like Printful, Order Mail Updates, and MailChimp. Through these integrations, users can manage their products directly through Lightfunnels and automatically synchronize inventory and order processes. Lightfunnels offers free templates that are easy to use, enabling users to get started quickly. Additionally, new registrants to Lightfunnels enjoy a 14-day free trial, providing ample opportunity to explore and utilize the platform's comprehensive features without initial costs.